In a magical land, Princess Aria got terrible news. Her best friend Luca was in danger. When she found him, her heart broke. Luca was turning into stone. A dark curse was slowly making him into a statue. But Aria refused to give up on her friend. Oriel, the wise golden bird, knew what to do. He told Aria about a special crystal hidden deep in the moonlight forest. Only this crystal could break the curse. That night, Aria and Oriel began their dangerous journey. The moonlight forest was beautiful but scary. Glowing trees and magical creatures lived there. Very few people who entered ever came back. But Aria was brave. She had to save Luca. Soon, a giant tree came to life. It was the Ancient One, the forest guardian. The tree spoke in a deep voice. It asked Aria why she wanted the crystal. Aria spoke from her heart. She said she only wanted to save her friend. The tree looked into her soul and saw the truth. Suddenly, a hidden path appeared, glowing with blue light. The forest was helping her, but the journey was not easy. Aria had to cross a crystal bridge over a deep cliff. One wrong step and she would fall. Her hands shook, but she stayed brave. Step by step, she made it across. Then a giant wolf appeared. It was made of stars and magic. This was the guardian of the crystal. The wolf looked at Aria with glowing eyes. It tested her heart to see if she was pure and true. The wolf saw Aria's love for her friend. It let her pass. Finally, Aria entered a beautiful cave filled with crystals. And there it was. The crystal of true sight. It floated in the air, shining like a diamond. It was the most beautiful thing she had ever seen. Oriel told her to think of Luca when she touched it. Aria reached out and grabbed the crystal. Suddenly, bright light filled her eyes. She saw everything. She saw Luca trapped inside the stone. She saw his pain, and she saw exactly how to save him. There was no time to waste. Aria ran back through the forest as fast as she could. The crystal glowed in her hands, lighting the way. She ran and ran until she reached the garden where Luca stood frozen. Aria pressed the glowing crystal against Luca's stone chest. Magic exploded everywhere. The curse and the crystal fought each other. Light against darkness, love against evil. Cracks appeared in the stone. Golden light shined through the cracks. The stone began to fall away piece by piece. And then, Luca was free. The stone turned to golden dust and disappeared. Luca took a deep breath. He was human again. He was alive. Aria and Luca hugged each other and cried happy tears. After so much danger and fear, they were together again. Then something magical happened. The crystal split into two pieces. Each piece became a beautiful pendant on a golden chain. One for Aria, one for Luca. They would be connected forever. The whole garden celebrated. Flowers bloomed, animals danced, magic filled the air. It was a party that nature itself was throwing. That night, Aria, Luca, and Oriel sat under the stars. They had been so brave. They had faced impossible challenges. But most importantly, they never gave up on each other. Because the greatest magic in the world is not in crystals or spells. The greatest magic is friendship, love, and never giving up on the people you care about. The end.